The 56-year-old Lawrence Aaron is a senior lecturer at Kyambogo University who is being accused of defiling a 16-year-old visually impaired student during a period when he was the dean of the Faculty of Special Needs and Rehabilitation. According to Enanga, the suspect has since disappeared, which prompted the Criminal Investigations Department to announce a 10 million cash reward for any member of the public with information that can assist in his arrest.
The Directorate of CID has come up with another policy reward of Uganda shillings 10 million for wanted university lecturer who, in the alleged aggravated defilement of a 16-year-old disabled victim. Just because the suspect is still at large, on the run and in hiding, it is against that background that the Directorate of CID continues to appeal to whoever has credible information that may lead to the arrest of Dr. Aaron Lawrence, aged 56, whose photograph has been shared. You shall get a larger.
In the same vein, Enanga issued a warning to anyone who may attempt to harbor or aid the escape of the suspect that they are inviting a severe legal punishment once implicated.
We want to warn anyone who will be found harboring or anyone who could have aided his escape that it is an offense that is punishable by law. We shall have to, they will be arrested and charged with harboring or aiding the escape of a wanted suspect. And we will never stop pursuing the suspect. We have directed sufficient resources towards towards establishing his location. We will find him and we will bring him to justice.
On the other hand, he advised the National Unity Platform Party leadership to refrain from proceeding with its forthcoming countrywide tour because of the standing suspension which was previously issued by police last year.
You remember very well that we released a statement sometime last year suspending the NUP consultative and mobilization activities after several breaches of the guidelines that police had issued to them. The breach of these guidelines, of course, led to public incidents of public disorder, traffic disruptions and delays, loss of business, malicious damage to property, dangerous driving that caused death and injuries, among others. So, like indicated in that press statement we issued, the suspension of these mobilization activities continues until when the NUP leadership complies with the police guidelines and continue to be law-abiding. We are aware that they have come up with a schedule that has not been shared with us, where they have vowed to defiantly continue with their consultative mobilization tours. But they must be aware that under the Police Act, Section 32(1), the police have a duty to police public meetings in a proportionate manner. We also have a duty under the Constitution to maintain peace and order.
As he wished the Christian pilgrims a successful undertaking, he reminded them of the safety tips they have to consider to ensure a peaceful pilgrimage.
As always, we've continued to instruct our commanders to ensure the safety and security of pilgrims while walking through their regions and districts. They must escort them and provide protection to them while resting at churches. Others have been resting at schools and community centers. We restricted all movements under the cover of darkness at night and the wee hours of the morning. And we've encouraged them to stay within their groups, carry warm clothes, have their IDs, mobile phones and chargers, light bags, reflectors, ensure they have transport money to transport them back. It is also important for them as territorial commanders to identify those who cannot endure the journey, especially the elderly, for medical attention. We have the police ambulances deployed along all major highways for medical evacuation and emergency response.
Joseph Kabale, UCTV News.